Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the AI overview from your search results when you're using Google Chrome. So let's say we type in a search here. How do you make a bootable USB drive? And you can see we get the AI overview at the very top here with a bunch of information. So if you don't want to see that and you want to go right to the search results, you could easily turn this off. All right, so to do so, we need to go to the Chrome settings by clicking on the three dots here, settings, then we want to go to search engine. Then click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Okay, so down here in the site search, we need to make a new entry, so we'll click on Add. You could call this whatever you want. Let's say No AI. And then for the shortcut, we need to have @web only. So this could be whatever you want. This has to be @web only. And then for the URL, we have to add this URL here exactly like this. We'll click on Add. All right, so now we have No AI, so we click on the three dots, make default, and that'll move it up here in the search engine list right there. All right, so now let's just go home again here, try it again. And now we go right to the search results without the AI feature on the top. All right, so once again, go to the settings, search engine, manage search engines and site search. Go down to site search, add a new entry. You can put whatever name you want, and I'll put the details for these two fields in the description so you can just copy and paste them. And then once you have it, click on the dots, make default, and then you'll have it up here. And if you change your mind, you could come here and make one of these other ones default. So let's say Google. And now we have the AI overview active again. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.